Hey there, Chris Bassett here, and I'm playing Black Ops 7. I'll be showing you how to update the BIOS firmware if you got that notification. Let's get into it. In order to see recent notifications, I just went over to the Call of Duty store, chose the bell icon, and then it showed me the BIOS firmware update required message. Click on that and then choose Learn More. This brings you over to the Activision support page. I will also put this link down in the description. But this will give you a guide, kind of a walkthrough of what to do. It's basically saying both the TPM and the secure boot are required for Call of Duty 7. It basically hinders cheating. So go ahead and scroll down to the BIOS firmware update guidance section of the website. Next, let's check your BIOS update. Go ahead and press the Windows key plus the R key to open the run box. Next, type tpm.msc and hit enter. This will open up a new window where you can look at the trusted platform module. Go ahead and scroll towards the bottom and it'll tell you your manufacturer information. It'll have your manufacturer name and the manufacturer version. Go ahead and close that window, and back on the guidance page you can choose your hardware troubleshooting, and you can see that my particular version requires an update. Continue scrolling down the page until you see the motherboard guides. You are going to need to update your motherboard. So it's up to whichever manufacturer you have. You can click on any of these links for a little bit of extra support. Let's open the run command again. So Windows R and then type in msinfo32. This will bring up a page that shows your system information. And you want to take a look at your baseboard manufacturer. In my case, it's ASRock. Also take note to see if the secure boot state is on, because that'll also be necessary to play Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Once you have your motherboard manufacturer and the product number, go ahead and close that window out and then choose from the list that's just below those options. You can then follow the appropriate guides for your particular system. I do have ASRock videos over here where I show how to update the BIOS firmware and enable secure boot, so check those out. Any other questions or comments, put those below. Thanks.